Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Made Easy. In this video, I'll show you the basics of Microsoft Excel, perfect if you're a beginner. By the end, you'll know how to navigate Excel, enter data, and do simple calculations and formatting. Here is an Excel window. Each small box is called a cell. Cells are organized in columns, A, B, C, and so on, and rows 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the cell name shown here is A1. Now let's enter simple data. Just type item, price, quantity, your data. If you want to add up the prices, you can use the sum formula. Just type equals sum and the range of the data and press enter. Easy. Excel does the math for you. Now, let's format this table. I'll bold the headers, change fonts and size, adjust width columns and alignment. Or simply press Ctrl T to format table. You can choose the size you want. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of Excel. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe or follow for more daily Excel tutorials. See you in next videos.